If you spent any time online lately, you've likely encountered the music used to be better crowd. It's a common refrain. Mainstream hits today feels less like art and more like party soundtracks. However, for those who crave great musicianship and instrumentation, I have some good news. There are incredible artists crying the torch right now, releasing great albums and touring. To help you navigate the current scene, I've put together a list of 10 outstanding active artists who have already built a dedicated following. There are no particular ranking, just a collection of great musicians keeping the craft alive. Please excuse me if I mispronounce any of the names in this video, and the first one is Tedeschi Trucks Band. They were formed in 2010 by guitarist Derek Trucks and singer-guitarist Susan Tedeschi. They're a married couple who each had thriving solo careers before combining their bands and songwriting into a single project. The Tedeschi Truck Bands fuse electric blues, southern rock, and soul with jazz harmonies and gospel overtones. They usually highlight Truck's slide guitar and interplay of multiple singers and horns. Christone Kingfish Ingram is an American blues guitarist and singer. He gained recognition as a teenager. Ingram was influenced by blues legends such as Muddy Waters and B.B. King. Joe Bonamassa needs no introduction. His music blends traditional blues with rock elements. He's recognized for his guitar skills and has collaborated with various artists throughout his career. His work has earned him a reputation as one of the leading guitarists of his generation. This one is a recent discovery for me, Marcus King. His music is a blend of blues, rock, soul, and jazz. He cites Duane Allman, B.B. King, and Jimi Hendrix as major influences. Eric Gales is a master of the upside-down guitar, blending raw blues rock with the energy of gospel and hip-hop. He represents the modern evolution of the blues, taking a classic sound and making it hit harder than ever. Gary Clark Jr. is famous for mixing gritty, fuzzy guitar riffs with smooth soul and modern hip-hop vibes. Most importantly, he's known for his no-rules approach, proving that the blues can still be fresh, loud, and relevant today. Samantha Fish is a powerhouse performer who shatters the boundaries of traditional blues by blending it with gritty rock and roll, country, and even punk. Next up is the band Vulfpeck, and I'm also going to include Cory Wong's solo career here. Famous for their virtuosic rhythm section and for being one of the first bands to sell out Madison Square Garden without a record label. Essentially, they make complex old school funk feel incredibly fun and accessible for a modern audience. Now, this one was a happy surprise for me. I was watching some other band and they were the opening act, and they're a great act to watch live. Basically, they're like party music, but with good taste. You know, they're high energy, all pop and funk. They're great. You know, heavy grooves and horns. Just go watch them. They're great. Hands it up to Michael while he asks aloud if he should take this home again. Now, this band I just found out by doing research for this video, but quite frankly, they're awesome. Heard a couple of their songs, and they're definitely on my bucket list to watch live. They're led by the legendary Warren Haynes, and they're famous for their freight train intensity and blending heavy and bluesy rock. These are just 10 examples of a much larger list. I'd love to hear your suggestions in the comments. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to stay updated on future content.